could run away to paradise, but I am held in some invisible vice, and I can't get away to live and die in LA.
I believe that in both spirit and substance, our tax system has come to be un-American. Death and taxes may be inevitable, but unjust taxes are not. The first American Revolution was sparked by an unshakable conviction. Taxation without representation is tyranny. 2 centuries later, a second American...
Pushed.
We got a game going.
What kind of stakes?
5 and 10.
The band gonna play?
Yeah, after the speech, he says he's good for a half hour.
Outstanding.
Post 3, I got a shake.
Right there, fella! I'm ready to die! Nobody's gonna die. Look, you and I are gonna go downstairs and talk. Death to Israel and America and all the enemies of Islam! I understand. Look, I'm gonna put my gun away. All right? We're gonna go talk. I am a martyr! I will burn myself on you and all the enemies of Islam! Allahu Akbar!
Let's get out of here, Jimmy. Go play some cards, get drunk.
I'm getting too old for this shit. telling the truth there. Come on.
Told you guys, never bet against
Try and
me.
hit that. Come on, Panovich, get a half a yard.
Hey. To my partner, Jimmy Hart, whose skill in spotting bad paper is only exceeded by his expertise in rigging a safety line.
How about a speech, boss? Speech. You know, I've been in this racket 25 years, you guys. And, I don't think anybody has been put in harm's way more than I have by this hotshot over here. But,
How the hell you working with him?
seriously speaking, if I'm going in to bag somebody, there's nobody I'd rather have backing me up.
All right.
Later, Alvarez. Next time you can make a jump with me.
Now, come on. It's the same thing in your work.
What?
You push too hard. You take it too personally. You're never going to reach retirement.
I'm not interested in retirement, buddy. That's
Such
your
a
job.
fucking hot dog. I'll see you later.
Hey, come here. Got something for you.
Fucking Alvarez trying to pass a funny 50 on us, huh?
Your retirement present.
You trying to get rid of me?
He's burning a hole in my truck.
That's a beauty, Richie.
Yeah, they tell me the trout jump all over it. You gonna let me use it?
Come and see me, you can use it.
I'm gonna miss you, amigo.
Yeah. Me too.
Hey, listen, I know you got something going tomorrow.
You read my mail again?
Masters, right? Where? Come on, you ain't going out there alone.
I got 3 more days on the job. I want to make the most of it. What's the point of the two of us running down the same lead?
The point is that we're partners, right?
Sure we are. And when the bus goes down, you're going to be there with me, like always. Okay, partner. Oh, yeah. Thanks.
You give me a call when you get back. You're in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Nothing.
Who is it?
John Vukovic.
What do you want?
I'd like to speak to you if I could. I'm sorry about Jimmy Hart.
Jimmy was more than my partner, pal. He was my best friend for 7 years. He was the most righteous guy I ever knew. He had 2 days to go, and that was it.
Can't understand why somebody'd waste him over a counterfeit beef.
Rick Masters killed him. See, Jimmy got too close. We had a tail on him and his mule for 6 months, but we couldn't make the plant. Jimmy went out to check that warehouse near Lancaster because he found out it was rented under a phony name. But I don't know. Some reason he wanted to go out there by himself.
Now you need a partner.
Let me tell you something, amigo. I'm gonna bag Masters, and I don't give a shit how I do it.
I hear you.
Can I talk to you for a minute?
You must be a mind reader. I was just gonna call you. I've decided to let Vukovic work with you.
Do I have a choice?
Oh, is there someone else you'd prefer? You're welcome to fill out a Form 19. List all the reasons you'd rather not work with him. Your input would be strictly confidential.
Yeah. Forget it.
What is it you wanted to talk about?
One-way ticket to San Francisco, Mr. Cody, and how would you like to pay for that?
I can.
I think that'll be $45 one way.
Federal agent, excuse me. Ma'am, I'd like to see the bills that man just handed you, please.
Listen, you wouldn't have a pencil with an eraser that I could use, would you?
Sure. Here you go, sir.
Okay, thank you.
U.S. Secret Service.
Excuse me, miss.
Hey, what the hell? You some kind of freak? U.S. Secret Service.
Oh, I told you.
You're under arrest for possession of counterfeit.
You're making a mistake!
Get out there! Shut up!
I'm a businessman. I'm a businessman.
Put your hands back here! You're rubbing in!
Seven asshole!
I'll put your hand on! U.S. Secret Service. I'm arresting this guy for counterfeiting.
Freeze! Who are you?
Secret Service. I just came in to take a leak.
Come! Morning. Let's go. Get the bag, John.
You got balls coming here.
How you making it?
Like every other swinging dick in this place makes it. Day by motherfucking day.
Ulcer acting up?
I want to know when you're gonna get me out.
I want you to be patient a little longer, Carl.
I got caught carrying for you. Now it's my turn for some consideration.
You have my word, you won't have to do the whole nickel.
What does that mean?
Grimes is the best lawyer in the state. It'll either be an appeal bond or the sentence reduction.
And the check is in the mail, and I love you, and I promise not to cum in your mouth.
I'm doing everything I can. Carl, we gotta talk about Waxman.
But what about him?
He was your last stop before the airport.
What are you saying?
He said you never delivered the package.
What do you mean? He says he never got it? Hey, I counted out 600 grand right there on his desk. I had it wrapped in $10,000 packages, like you told me. He put it in a safe right behind his desk.
He said you called, postponed delivery. And the next thing he heard, you were busted at the airport.
He's a lying son of a bitch. He's probably the motherfucker who did me. He ratted me to the feds. I'll kill him. When I get out, I'm gonna give that fucking scumbag a serious headache. May God strike me dead if I don't waste him.
Visit's over.
Don't forget about me.
I won't. You have my word on that.
Well, I've done everything humanly possible. At this point, I don't see any alternative. Your friend Cody's gonna have to do some time.
Why is he being held without bail? He wants to know and I can't give him an answer.
The suspicion of murdering a federal agent named Jim Hart.
You told me you could arrange an appeal bond.
Even if the judge granted it, it's only a postponement.
I can't fucking tell him
The
that.
guy got caught holding 40 grand. What does he expect? He's gonna have to do a little to keep the prosecutor happy.
How much time?
Say 3.
No, he can't do it. He'll cave in on me.
What can you give him?
Everything.
So,
What's
is there
up?
anything you can give me on Rick Masters?
There's a guy in Pasadena. He's a lawyer or something. Used to represent hippies.
What's his name?
Waxman? Max Waxman.
Waxman. What's the story?
I think he's moving paper for Masters.
Good. Is there anything I can do for you?
My kid's coming in this weekend from Las Vegas.
You got a kid?
Yeah. His name's Christopher. Lives with his father down there.
500 okay?
Well, I was kind of hoping you'd
There's
have
more if there's a bust. You know the game.
I had a bad dream last night.
Tell me.
I was on stage and people were burning me with cigarettes. Serena once told me she writes her dreams down. She keeps them in a little book.
Who's Serena?
What did Carl say?
He says Max ripped us off.
You believe him?
Looks that way.
What are we gonna do about it?
Take care of our problem.
Surveillance log. U.S. Treasury Field Office, Los Angeles. Office of Attorney Max Waxman. Corner Walnut and Los Robles Streets. This is day 3, January 11th, 2200 hours. Reports of Agents Vukovic and Chance.
Looks like he's got a guest.
Must like tall women.
Huh. What a guy.
What is happening? Long time no see, huh? Heard you're on stage again. What does Ricky Boy think about that? Quantity?
125 grand.
I've seen better. I'll give you 10 points for the package.
20 points is the price.
20 points. Where am I going to get 20 points? Off the back of a turnip truck? Tell Rick he can kiss my ass.
20 points or I'm out of here.
Hey. What do you hear from Cody?
Problems.
I know you and Rick had your doubts about me on this Cody thing. And I want to tell you, I hope that's over with. I am straight with Rick. I would never fuck with Rick.
He never talks to me about his business. He told me to tell you if you like the paper, he wants your order. Now.
No problem. That's cool.
I'd love to make a jump in the rain. You ever do any base jumping? It's great. I used to jump off garages when I was a kid.
Can I bring you something else?
No thanks, Father.
It's great. Listen, why don't you make a jump with me sometime?
Yeah?
Yeah, you'd love it. It's fabulous. Once you get over the first fear, it's a piece of cake. It's the greatest feeling you'll ever have, till you float out. Man, your balls go right up into your throat.
I think I'll take a pass, partner.
You know, I could help you. If you ever get in trouble. You know what I mean?
No. Not here. I love the rain.
Yeah. It's groovy.
Take off your glasses. Come here.
How you doing, Max?
Oh, Christ.
First you ripped me off, then you set up Carl, now you want to fuck my lady.
Man, she came on to me, man. I swear it.
Oh, what a tragedy. I want my 600K.
I didn't have anything to do with getting Cody set up, man.
Do you know that your house is under surveillance? Do you know you're living like a fucking animal in the zoo?
Oh!
Open up, Max. Make good and we'll be friends again.
Rick!
Come here.
Look out! He's looking for something. Rick! Oh.
18th century Cameroon. Yes? Your taste is in your ass.
No, Jesus, no!
What's going on? Get up. The whole caper's gone. Come on. Shit.
What's that? Took it out of Waxman's office.
Some kind of dealer's code.
Johnny's got all his delivery dates in here. He's got no names, but he's got amounts, initials. Look at this. RM, every other page.
It's a crime scene, buddy. The book is evidence. What if the cop remembers it's missing?
Shit, that rookie couldn't remember what he saw. He wasn't in there long enough.
He shouldn't have done it.
What are you trying to tell me, amigo? Of course, if you feel strongly about it, I'll take it back right now and
That's
hand
not
it
what
over.
I'm saying, okay? It's not what I'm saying at all. You just don't put words in my mouth, all right?
Does this mean that you won't carry your weight if something goes down?
Look, what I'm saying is we could have got shit canned for this little trick. If you expect me to take the heat, you should tell me about it before you do it.
If I'd asked you, what would you have said?
I'd have said that the cops probably would have let us copy the diary after it was booked into evidence.
Well, I wouldn't have done it if I was with somebody I didn't trust.
Look, I'm no snitch.
Hey, John. Waxman just gave us Rick Masters on a plate.
Let's go out tonight. Put on your shoes, get away from here, far from the local blues. Let's go out tonight. Let's make our escape from the city lights and all the familiar shapes. We could drive all night. We could stop in a field near the starlight, traveling for millions of years, sing a lullaby to the night. Sing a lullaby to the night. We can rock and roll, we can dance all night long. Till the hours that fall, but we both strong. We can walk away to the rising dawn as people go to work, wondering why our clothes are torn. Sing a lullaby to the night. Sing a lullaby. We'll be driving through the mountains in the cool, clearing air, with the sunlight on the ocean and the diamonds in your hair.
Who's that?
It's me.
Too bad about Max. If you'd have caught him dirty, he'd have done anything to keep from going to the joint.
Like you?
much do I get for the information I gave you on Waxman?
No arrest, no money.
It's my fault he's dead. Took me 6 months to get next to him. I've got expenses, you know.
Guess what? Uncle Sam don't give a shit about your expenses. You want bread? Fuck a baker.
Someday some guy set up for you's gonna snuff me. It isn't too hard to figure out who an informant is. You gonna stay a while?
No. I gotta go.
I got something for you.
I'm here.
A dealer from San Francisco's coming into LA next week with 50 grand to buy stolen diamonds. The stuff that was lifted from the Bel Air Hotel. He's a Chinaman and he's connected to people in Hong Kong.
I told you, I'm only interested in Play-Doh.
I was reading about the stars. Talked about how the stars are the eyes of God. I think it's true, don't you?
No, I don't.
If you had any real balls, you'd jump off that bridge. The same thing happened to Max could happen to me, you know. Did you hear what I said?
Nothing's gonna happen to you.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
What would you do if I stopped giving you information?
What?
I'd just like to know.
I'd have your parole revoked.
You mean that? You'd do that?
Man, why are you chasing me? Why are you running? Because you're chasing me, man. What do you want?
U.S. Secret Service! Get over there!
Okay.
Get over
Be
there!
cool. Be cool,
Hands
man.
over your head, shitbag! Come on! Turn around! Get your hands behind your head! Turn around! What the hell is this, huh?
I swear to God, I don't know nothing about it, man.
I want to know where Master's Prince! I'm gonna throw your ass over the bridge! Talk to me or I throw your ass over the bridge!
Ah, I don't know. I don't know where he fits. Nobody does. Nobody, I swear to God.
He was in Terminal Island when I met him. He was doing time for armed robbery. That was, 1978. I was asked to give a talk to the inmates, look at some of their work. Masters had talent. You could see that. I went to his studio one time, and he was burning a couple of paintings that I thought were quite beautiful.
Do you think you might know where that studio was? Remember what it looked like?
That was downtown, past the railroad tracks. There's an old warehouse, and there's a Chinese character on it.
How'd that last stuff go?
Hell, man, I had it sold within a week. I needed more, but you changed your phone numbers. I had people begging for some of them 20s.
Had to lay low for a while.
That's what I heard. Heard someone popped your mule at the airport.
That's what I wanted to talk to you about. He's up in Obispo, and I think he may try to deal his way out. How much of a problem would that be?
Ain't no big thing. But ain't nobody gonna work for free.
What would it take?
It'll cost you 100K in 20s, if they're as good as the last ones.
50,000 in hundreds. It's all I have on hand at the moment.
Big bills ain't popular in this neighborhood, brother. It's gotta be 20s.
Well, I might be able to find 50,000 or so in 20s lying around somewhere.
Can I ask you something? As long as you print that shit your own self, what the hell do you care if I make 25, 50, or 100 grand? It'd be nothing but motherfucking paper to you. All right, I'll tell you what. I take 75K in 20s, and I'll personally guarantee the job. You still driving that piece of shit?
Hey, what shit they showing tonight?
It's that Galactic Warrior movie.
I hate that spaceship, man.
Nothing but science fiction, man.
Hey, what's going down, Ruben?
You're gonna move on somebody.
Yeah? Somebody getting whacked out?
Yeah.
Don't know who, huh?
Nuh-uh. Could be anybody. Just keep an eye out.
Am I being hit now?
I don't know, it's someone over here.
Cody!
You mine, motherfucker. Come here, man. I got something for your ass.
For you,
Got something for your ass. Come here. Oh, get him, shake his ass.
How you doing? Room 3. Thanks.
Pretty girl, Carl. Actress?
Stomach problems, huh?
Ulcer.
Remember me? Football game at the airport?
They want me to have an operation, but I can't stand the thought of one of those prison butchers slicing me open. I'd rather drink this shit pink cement.
I want to get Rick Masters.
I've taken 4 falls. I never ratted anybody in my life, and I've had plenty of chances, believe me.
Masters is your friend. I don't blame you. I would never hand up a friend. Anybody who would is a piece of shit. Thing is, your friend tried to have you iced.
That doesn't mean I'm gonna roll over and play informer. If you're looking for a pigeon, go to the park.
Look, I'll tell you what. You help me, I'll get to a judge, have your sentence reduced to a parole, get you the fuck out of here.
What would I have to do? Like exactly?
Simple. Show me where you print and testify against him in open court.
I'd rather stay in here the rest of my life than testify in open court.
Then you better lock your cell door, baby, and throw away the key, because I cannot take care of you in here.
I get all the taste, brother. Yo.
Hello, Jeff.
What are you doing in my crib?
You sent two assholes to do Cody, and they blew it. I paid you half. I want it back.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to get that money back myself. I had to front the whole purchase to get my people to do their thing. So I ain't got it no more.
Well, then, you better try and shit 40 grand. Because I ain't leaving without it.
How owe you, Cody? Next time there be no fuck up.
What next time? He's in protective custody.
Yeah. Protective custody don't mean shit to me. The man's dead.
In a pig's ass. Want my paper, Jeff? I can't afford to have it circulating right now.
And I told you I don't have it.
Get it.
Now look, my man. I told you I don't have what you're looking for. So why don't you make it easy on yourself? Just shag your ass out of my crib. Now you be a printer. Go get some ink. And start printing some more of that shit.
What's happening, fella?
Yeah, you asshole! God damn it! Come on, motherfucker! Don't!
You broke a contract with me, Jeff. No, I don't know whether you're into it.
Oh, wait.
But you're gonna have to suck on this until you give me back my paper.
How much you gonna burn?
All of it.
Why?
No good to me after they handled it.
What do you want?
I got a writ I need you to sign.
What kind of a writ?
I need the release of a prisoner from San Luis prison to help me in a counterfeit case.
Must be a big case.
The target's a major counterfeiter involved in the murder of a federal agent.
I never sign such writs. Why are you still here?
I spent all morning working on this. I would appreciate it if you'd be kind enough to take a look at it.
Okay, now I've looked at it.
Look, I gotta have this guy out.
Didn't you come in here about a week ago and ask me to hold him without bail?
Yes, and I'll assume full responsibility for getting him back.
I don't need the headache.
Look, this Cody is an associate of Rick Masters. Masters has been making a mockery out of you, me, and this whole goddamn system.
That doesn't change the fact that he's on a no-bail hold awaiting arraignment.
He killed my partner, man.
The answer is still no.
If I was one of your asshole cronies, you'd be spread eagled on your desk to do this for me.
Don't say something you'll regret later. here! Let me look at it again. If this prisoner escapes from custody, I'll make you testify in open court about how we made a fool out of you. Now get the hell out of here.
If you cross me or bullshit me, I will dedicate my life to putting you back in here. And I will pull every string in the book to make sure that you do all five. You got that?
You have my promise.
Now, I want to know where you and Masters print. I want you to take me there now. And then we're going downtown to swear out your state.
Can I ask a favor?
What?
My daughter's in the hospital. She's pretty sick. You think we could stop by Santa Fe Hospital? It's on the way to where I'm taking you.
You're pulling my dick.
I swear, man. Check it out.
What's your daughter's name?
Roseanne Brown.
Lincoln 1431 to Los Angeles base. Over.
Go ahead, 3-1.
Yeah, request you phone Santa Fe Hospital. Find out if they have a patient named Roseanne Brown, please. Over.
Roger.
You have any kids?
Uh-uh.
Well, I'll tell you. It changes the way you look at things.
Yeah?
I'm not looking to screw up anymore.
Roseanne Brown is in room 306. The elevators are over there.
Thank you.
You have to come up to the room with me?
Come here. What happened to your daughter?
I don't know. She was in a park and those little monkey bars.
Roseanne Brown is a black woman. She's recuperating from a fall she took from a bicycle near USC. She's married. Her husband is listed as serving time for armed robbery at San Luis Obispo Prison. I think you ought to let us take a look at you.
Don't have a lot of time. I'm in the middle of a trial.
What kind of trial?
It's a dope case. Client got busted smuggling 50 pounds of cocaine. I should be able to get him off, though. Search warrant's weak.
Weak?
Color of the house is listed as brown in the warrant, when in fact it's beige and yellow.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I don't make any apologies for being an attorney. If I didn't accept the case, somebody else would, without a doubt.
Without a doubt.
Too bad about Jim Hart. Masters has been calling me in the middle of the night, trying to order me around like I was one of his mules. The other day, he even had the balls to threaten me. The man's an animal. Frankly, being house counsel for Rick Masters doesn't sit very well with me. I've had it up to here, as a matter of fact.
Good for you.
How bad do you and your friend want him? I don't have to explain what would happen to my practice if there was even a hint that I set up one of my own clients.
You afraid you wind up on his hit list?
Crossed my mind.
Your name will never come up.
You never met Rick, have you?
No.
I'll set up a meeting.
Mr. Masters? How you doing? Ben Jessup. My associate, Dr. George Victor.
Pleasure. How do you do?
Kite yourself shaving, Mr. Jessup?
No, as a matter of fact, I got hit by a tennis ball.
You're in from Palm Springs, huh?
Yeah.
What's the weather like there?
It's really nice.
We've been up here the last few days.
I've got a friend in Palm Springs, Lenny Green. He owns the Oasis. You know him?
I got a friend in Hollywood, Donald Duck. You know him?
I understand you gentlemen do some island banking.
That's right.
Where?
Cayman Islands.
Good business?
Not bad.
What sort of banking?
We're a Dutch Antilles company. We loan money to various enterprises here in the States. Loans aren't secured by real estate or anything else down there.
Hey, Rick, get a phone call, man.
Which one is it?
There's nothing in there. Some tennis rackets in the trunk, men's clothing with Palm Springs store labels, some business letters with return addresses in the Cayman Islands.
What did the letters say?
Something about please forward the stock we discussed or something like that.
Who were the letters addressed to?
Caribbean Banking Unlimited, Dutch Antilles?
Did you notice the names Jessup or Victor on any of the letters?
No.
Thanks. What kind of paper we talking about?
Hundreds and fifties paper. We need at least 10 different serial numbers.
How much?
$1 million.
How you gonna use it?
What business is that of yours?
It's always my business, Mr. Jessup.
Nothing will be passed up here. Our play involves an out-of-state gentleman who wishes to launder some bonds, protect his tax position.
Mine is 20%.
We never pay more than 10. We have limitations that we have to
Different
abide by.
serial numbers are a real pain in the ass for me. I gotta make different plates and wear rubber gloves during the whole operation. Have you ever tried to work with rubber gloves on?
15%.
I don't negotiate. I might if I knew you, but I don't. And I don't know what I see.
All right.
I start as soon as I get a down payment. In this case, I'll take $30,000 up front and the rest on delivery.
What?
Everybody knows Rick Masters won't go near a job without front money. You should also know that I've never fucked a customer out of his front money. I've been coming to this gym 3 or 4 times a week for 5 years. I'm an easy man to find. My reputation speaks for itself. The fact is that if you can't come up with the front money, you're not for real.
No way I can get you $30K to make a buy. You'd hear him laughing all the way from Washington.
Shit, Masters beats the government out of that much in a day. We got a chance to make him on a hand-to-hand buy, which is something he cannot beat in court.
You're not the first agents to get next to Masters. He always asks for big front money.
Right, and nobody ever approves it, and he stays on the street.
The limit for buys is 10 grand. I don't make the rules.
Look, you could get this approved if you wanted to.
302.5.
What?
302.5. You violated section 302.5. The manual says the agents must notify the agent in charge, that's me, of all ongoing investigations. You violated this section, and I'm not going to cover your ass.
Yeah, well, I'm not asking you to.
You lost a federal prisoner, and I want Cody back.
Yeah.
Where the hell were you?
Hey. He wasn't with me, all right?
Why not?
Look, I lost him. I'll get him back.
Thank you, Gilbert. I think we should have offered Masters the 10 grand. I bet he'd have gone for it.
Never happened, Johnny. Let me try something on you.
Yeah, what?
Ruth tells me there's a guy coming in Thursday to buy stolen diamonds. He's gonna be carrying $50,000 cash.
So?
So what do you think?
What do I think about what?
Guy comes in Thursday. Union Station. No muss, no fuss. Everything doesn't look like a piece of cake. We just walk away.
Jesus Christ, you gotta be
Hey,
kidding.
listen, when you came to me, I told you that I was gonna get Masters and I didn't give a shit how I did it.
What, so now you want to commit a robbery?
I wouldn't call it that.
What would you call it?
Taking down a douchebag who's trying to break the law.
If it turns to shit?
You say, fuck it, walk away. Look, front money is the only way to get Masters of Print.
I don't give a shit, man. I'm not gonna pull a heist. I don't care.
The guy's a fence.
Who do you think I am?
He gets ripped off. He can't walk into the fucking police station.
Look, why don't you just go to his fucking house and blow his brains out? That's what you want to do anyway, right?
All I'm asking you to do is drive the car.
Steal real money to buy counterfeit money? How's that gonna look in court?
It's his word against ours.
His friggin' lawyer is Bob Grimes.
It's Masters' word against ours.
You got a couple of screws loose, pal. I say we go to Bateman one more time.
Fuck Bateman.
Look,
I
what do
told
we
you,
got?
he's a pencil neck. He's out to save his ass.
I
That's
still
it.
think you're pushing it too fast. I think we can...
It's happening Thursday, man. We gotta go down in
Look,
24
my
hours.
father was a cop. My brother's a cop. You're asking me to do
Oh,
something
give me
that
a
goes against
break.
my... Look, you got the wrong guy, okay? You got the wrong guy.
Yeah, you're right. I got the wrong guy, pal. You ain't my partner. You ain't even my fucking friend. In fact, let me give you a piece of advice. You better get your ass into protection, baby, because you ain't shit on the street. You understand that? You ain't got the nuts. Kiss my ass. Pussy. How sure is this thing tomorrow?
You told me you weren't interested in diamonds.
Well, now I am interested, okay?
All I know is what I told you. He's on the number 11 Amtrak, leaving San Francisco 7 in the morning, getting into Union Station at 4:35.
How do you remember that? You wrote it down or what? Who's the seller?
A guy I know.
What did this guy you know tell you?
That a Chinaman comes down from San Francisco, buys diamonds, gold, whatever.
What's his name?
Ling. Thomas Ling.
What's your end?
Nothing, it's just a guy I know tells me.
A guy you know. A guy you know actually gives you the train the buyer's coming in on?
Of course not. I called Amtrak and got his reservation.
Why? Why'd you do that?
ID and dollar.
We're planning on having someone else take him down. Is that right?
Thought about it. Why are you suddenly interested?
It just fits some other shit that's happening.
You gonna bag him?
I might.
How you gonna do that when he's carrying real cash and hasn't committed a crime?
I can do whatever I want.
How much is in this for me?
How much of what?
Don't shit me. I know what you're gonna do. And they're gonna think I set it up.
All right. I'll give you 5 G's.
Not enough.
And my promise not to throw you back in the joint.
Passenger Thomas Ling, arriving on Amtrak 708. Please come to passenger service.
I'm Thomas Lane.
You know what this is?
What's the game?
It's no game, just walk.
Why?
Why? Because if you don't, I'll blow your fucking heart out.
Where's the key?
I don't have it.
He doesn't have it. What a guy. Over the chain. Come on, get over the chain. Grab the wall. Right there. Hold on. Damn it. Fuck off! Come on, man. What the fuck? There's people all over the fucking place. That's very funny. Look, he doesn't have the money. Let's get the fuck out of here. Where is it? Ah, son of a bitch! You move one more of us and I'll blow your fucking brains out. You got that? Freeze. Get down on your fucking knees. Put your hands behind your fucking head. You're wearing it, ain't you? Get your clothes on. Come on, two hands. Take your shirt off. Oh, that's great. That's it. Let's get your pants down. Let me get your fucking pants down. Let's get the fuck out of here. Down. You all right? Oh, Christ. Get out of here. Come on. Get out of here. Come on. Come on!
He killed him.
Come on, come on! think so.
Johnny! Move the truck! What are you doing? Trying to hurt? Hey, shut up! Whichever truck that is, move it out of the way, now! Back it up, Steve! Back it
Think we lost the mothers?
I don't see him, man.
Huh?
I don't see him.
Fucking
did it, man.
We made it, baby.
Did it. God damn it, we did it. Oh, shit. You had me scared out of my fucking mind, man. You had me scared out of
Huh? Sons of bitches. Is it the same guy? It's two different guys. It's two Chevys. What the hell is going on? Who the fuck are these guys?
Damn it, they're all over the place.
Hang on. Hang on, Johnny! Piece of cake, huh? You son of a bitch.
Get one off, Johnny. Get him off of me.
this way.
Crazy fucking asshole.
Hold up!
There's a minor tie-up on the North Long Beach right near Henry Ford. A couple of cars have tangled in traffic there. Shouldn't take too long to get this to the shoulder. It's a very simple affair. No injuries involved. Shouldn't cost you more than a couple of minutes, though, if you're heading northbound on the 710. I'm Stacy Vinn for Metro Traffic Control.
What are we gonna do? We're going to an auto parts store, get a new window. If we'd have totaled it, we'd have been screwed. We'd never gotten it back to the motor pool in a day. We lucked out, Johnny. We lucked out! Woo!
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Listen, I'll have to get back to you, okay? What happened? I called you all day.
Clockwork, baby. Like fucking clockwork.
Jeez.
Did you hear anything?
My friend called. He said the Chinaman never showed up.
Sure didn't.
God, 50,000 bucks.
Quentin Daly got 30 points, they said. Guy's unbelievable, man. You say all you want about Michael Jordan. He was a great fucking ball
These
player.
people aren't dumb. They're gonna know somebody had to set the
Quentin
Chinaman up.
Daly's got a gun like a howitzer, man. 30 feet. Boom, boom, boom. He gets hot, he's fabulous. Fucking Orlando
I'm
Woolrich.
worried.
You gotta fucking...
I'm worried! Stars are God's eyes.
What's the matter with you?
The last item on the agenda is a bulletin from the FBI. On January 24th, FBI Special Agent Raymond Fong of the Bureau of San Francisco Field Office was kidnapped and robbed of $50,000 in government funds. Fong, who was acting in an undercover capacity as part of a Bureau-sponsored sting operation, was abducted and murdered shortly after arriving at Union Station. The suspects are described as white males, 30 to 35 years old, one with black, the other with brown hair. They eluded Fong's covering agents and fled in a beige late-model Chevrolet. Anyone having information, contact the special agent in charge, FBI San Francisco.
Is there a license on the vehicle?
There's no plates on the vehicle. This is what happens when proper covering procedures are not followed.
We got an FBI agent killed. You hear that?
What do you want me to do about it, John?
It's just a matter of time before they fucking identify us. They got a good look at
A
us.
face is bullshit without a name.
They got a make on the car.
Look, they wouldn't have sent it out over the teletype if they had anything. They're grabbing at shit.
Oh, Jesus. So what are we gonna do about the 50 grand?
We're gonna make the buy from Masters just like we planned.
Are you out of your fucking mind?
Rick, hey, I want a stand-up ashtray. These guys are stealing all my ashtrays.
Just like we planned, amigo.
Over here.
Who are they?
Who are you?
This is Mr. Jessup, whose name isn't really Jessup. He says he's from Palm Springs, but doesn't have a tan. You're not wired, are you? Is this my package?
Look okay?
You're beautiful.
When do I get delivered?
How about Friday night?
If I don't hear from you by Friday, I'm coming back to get this.
It's understandable. Oh, Mr. Jessup? Like your work?
Your only defense is to say that you were working undercover without the knowledge of your supervisors. You were trying to get next to Masters, and things just got out of hand, and you intended to return the money. Problem is, you're going to have to take the witness stand, and the prosecutor can ask you anything he wants. Frankly, I don't think you can beat the case in court. Because I represent Masters, I can't get deeply involved in your case, if you see what I mean.
So what should I do?
You beat him to the punch with the U.S. attorney and you make a deal.
What kind of deal?
You offer to plead guilty and to testify against your partner. The FBI's not going to want a lot of publicity on this. I suspect they'll go along with a guilty plea.
How much time would I have to do?
Probably gets you off of 7 years. You won't have to do 7, of course. Probably a year and a half.
But you can't get involved, right?
Not directly.
What would it cost for your indirect involvement?
$50,000. I know it's a tough call, but it's one you're going to have to make rather quickly.
I can't hand up my partner. I can't do it. Even if I have to go to the joint.
money?
I love those pictures, Mildred. I love them for what they were meant to be.
Shit, you okay, Carl?
Guess we all screw up, huh, Carl?
How did you find me?
Your bimbo girlfriend's listed in the Screen Actors Directory.
Oh, I never saw this guy.
Claudian, shut up. You know, you're a lucky man. I didn't tell the judge you played hooky on me. Now you're gonna help me out, aren't you, Carl? Come on, asshole, let's go. Move!
Hi, is Chance there? I want to talk to Chance. Is this 4714421? This is John Vukovic. Where is he?
There's no one here by that name.
Who's?
John Vukovic.
John. Listen, I got Cody back. I know where the plant is.
Listen, we gotta talk. We gotta go to Bateman. I can't live with this thing any longer.
I talked to Masters around it.
What are you talking about?
We're on the Masters tonight.
Do you need me tonight?
No, I don't think so. What time do you get off?
About 12:30.
Okay. Got a few things to do, and then I'll drop by and pick you up at the club. All right? You look beautiful. I got a little surprise for you.
Wake up, stop dreaming, stop this evening. Has reality. Wake up, don't turn your face away. Look at me. Wake up, like sleeping, someone's keeping everything of you. Don't try to run away, it's on you.
Packing? Check and see you got a wire on there, brother. See that bag?
You don't touch me.
Hey, look, dickhead.
Keep your hands off me.
You want to get up them fucking stairs, you're gonna go through me.
You go tell your little friend that if he thinks I'm a
You don't
fatty,
drift
It's okay, Jack.
Well, go on up, tough guy.
So what's in the briefcase, Doctor?
Hey, we're the ones who fronted the 30 grand and agreed to do this on your turf. Before you touch shit, I want to see the funny money.
locker 38. Okay.
You're beautiful.
Turn around. Right there, asshole. Hands on top of the locker. Go on, grab the top of the fucking locker. That's right, you're under arrest, moron. Go on, cuff the ape. Don't move. How you doing, pal? Huh? This is from Jimmy Hart, from the desert. Remember this? Suck on that for a while.
Freeze it up, pal!
Jesus Christ. Talk to me, man. Talk to me.
Talk to me! You can't do this to me!
Didn't you take the deal Grimes offered you? Wouldn't roll over on your partner, huh?
Get up! Get up, you son of a bitch!
You might want these. They're very personal.
Yes.
I can't seem to find any of his paintings. He told me he did 2 large portraits of you. They might be worth a lot of money.
He used to burn a lot of things. Maybe he burned them.
I can't understand how you stayed with him so long.
Why did you work for him?
It's just business.
They got them a new religion. It's called Baby Everything's Alright. They got them a new religion. It's called Baby Everything's Alright. But there ain't no beginning to the daytime. Lord, and there ain't no end to the night.
Who is it?
John Vukovic.
What do you want?
Chance was my partner.
I know who you are. What do you want?
Did you know he was dead?
I'm busy now.
Open it. You going somewhere?
I'm leaving the city.
Well, there's a little matter of 20 grand that belongs to the federal government. Chance said he left it with you. You want it back.
Look, part of that money was mine. I had debts. People leaning on me. I got ripped off for the rest.
You set us up, didn't you, Ruth? You knew that Chinaman was FBI.
What? Are you crazy?
Come on, don't shine me on. If you're gonna start by bullshitting me, we're gonna get off to a very bad relationship.
What are you talking about?
You're working for me now.
Drink on the scene, is at the lie in wait for a chance to get involved with lovers' fight. This one seems as good as any I've seen. So wait with me until 6:15. I'm waiting for you, but you're very late. I know you're good anyway, and I can hardly wait. Evidently, there's a difficulty. I know you're in any way, and I can hardly wait. I can hardly wait. I see you approaching in the eyes of the crowd. The traffic and people gather all so loud. But in a couple of moments they will all disappear, because we're ever so close when we're the sun near. I'm waiting for you, but you're very late. know you're gonna be white, and I can hardly wait. Evidently, there's a difficulty. I know you're gonna be white, and I can hardly wait. I can hardly wait. Punctuality is never much to me. Being yourself is the main thing. Forget about the time. Forget about the time. Being yourself is the main thing. The main thing. The main thing. The main thing, though. About the time. Wait for you, but you're very late. I know you're gonna be white, and I can hardly wait. Evidently, there's a difficulty. I know you're gonna be white, and I can hardly wait. I can hardly wait. I can hardly wait.